Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide is about getting rid of the misleading pop-ups that are presented as Chrome update alerts. But these are fake Chrome update alerts. They come from the site Manageintenselystronginfo-file.info. Some people may see these pretty deceptive pop-ups and they might think that they need to do something to update their Google Chrome. But the reality is that these are totally fake alerts. They are not associated with the Google Chrome browser. So don't trust these pop-ups. And actually, such pop-ups try to force people into downloading and installing some unwanted browser extensions. If any unwanted extensions were mistakenly installed into the Google Chrome browser, access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. Then if you find any third-party extensions, disable and delete them. In order to make sure that your computer is free of other possibly concealed threats, I do recommend that you investigate the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and then begin investigating your device. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to effectively detect and eliminate all other threats from your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.